suis une artiste urbaine, je rappe et je chante. Et en fait, c'était pas. En fait, à la base, le rap n'était pas forcément inclus. Enfin, c'est pas. Je suis pas. Je suis chanteuse de formation, pas rappeuse. Et donc, du coup, bah oui, j'ai fait mon petit bonhomme de chemin et puis je me suis associée avec ce magnifique producteur qui s'appelle Apax, /slash Gary. Et donc voilà, on s'est lancé dans un nouveau projet.
Oh yes, I'm losing it, hunting on my days. It's like I fade away in slow motion. When you need to get high and getting fucked up, you know my number. When I ain't you so bad, you had a hell of a reason to give you everything. Without condition, you took my love for granted. You were my own heartless. Please have mercy on me. Damn, I wish I was so heartless. Please have mercy on me. I wish I would love you and worship you no more. I wish I would hurt you better and get you to the core. Damn, I was so heartless. Please have mercy on me. Why you be acting like you care? You pretended to be fair, but you don't. Ain't no it ain't worth it, my friend. Oh, why you be acting like you scared when you wouldn't say my name with me, and it's hard. It's about me that you think. Oh, heartless. Please have mercy on me. Damn, I wish I was so heartless. Please have mercy on me. I wish I would love you and worship you no more. I wish I would hurt you back and get you to the core. Damn, I was so heartless. Oh, please have mercy on me.
C'était assez frustrant. Parce que c'est-à-dire que nous, on avait normalement une EP release party le 8 du 4, ici à la Botta, exactement à la Rotonde en fait. Donc ça nous fait vraiment plaisir d'être là ce soir, aujourd'hui pour le coup. Mais donc oui, on avait plein d'actualités qui devaient sortir et on a eu un peu peur. Et c'est vrai qu'il y a eu, par exemple pour le clip, Ça a été un petit peu plus difficile du coup d'atteindre les vues qu'on avait envie d'atteindre, par exemple, ou l'objectif qu'on avait envie d'atteindre. On avait toute une stratégie, enfin j'imagine que pour beaucoup d'artistes c'était le cas, ils avaient une stratégie de communication préparée et malheureusement en fait à cause du confinement ça a tout ralenti.
Humainement, c'est vrai que c'était assez compliqué. Déjà, comme a dit Caro, on a vraiment eu l'herbe coupée sous le pied, pris le truc de plein fouet et puis du coup ça a été très compliqué pour trouver d'autres manières de rester en échange. On avait au niveau de la création plein de choses en cours et donc il n'y avait plus la possibilité de se voir et donc créer à distance, c'est pas toujours évident. Et puis il ne faut pas oublier aussi que les musiciens et puis les techniciens, etc., enfin tout le monde de la culture a vraiment vécu un moment très difficile, que c'est des métiers, que les gens vivent de ça et qu'on vit de ça. Et donc les choses ont été assez compliquées et reprennent vraiment très très doucement.
People be asking who hands up I wear. I'ma tell you, you go ask if I done. Only be good and kind to your brother. You got the answer, you gotta be on your best behavior. If only it's a sticking half to hey yeah. You just respecting her taking mother. We gon' make it to the top, oh oh oh. Make it to the top, oh oh. From the bottom to the top, oh oh oh. It's gon' be alright. Yeah, we ballin'. We gon' make it to the top, oh oh oh. Make it to the top, oh oh. From the bottom to the top, oh oh oh. It's gon' be alright. Yeah, we ballin'. Yeah. They just gotta know my name, bruh. They don't know where I came from. You know shit inspire me. I said, brother, teach me. I am not above you. I don't fuck with this, yeah, I don't fuck with that. When I'm on camera, they be hot for bread. I'm the killer cause I speak the truth. Got him to a roof, yeah, you know I'm on my hood. What? I'm with the people, yeah. I talk to all of my people. Shit never came for no reason. So many checking the demons. This shit is stealing my soul. But we gotta rise, brother. None of the color unfold. We gon' make it to the top, oh, 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 yeah. Make it to the top, oh, oh, yeah. From the bottom to the top, oh, 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 yeah. Now we alright, yeah, we ballin'. We gon' make it to the top, oh, 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 yeah. Make it to the top, oh, oh, yeah. From the bottom to the top, oh, 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 yeah. Yeah, we gon' be alright, yeah, we ballin'. You know what, y'all? I want to take a moment right here just to tell you that in this period, in this time, we got to be brave, we got to be united, we got to stay strong and face that thing. Face the problems, find the solutions. Because you know what? Ain't nobody can judge you. Ain't nobody can tell you who you have to be, what you have to do. Presumptions and misleading have never led to peace. Are y'all ready? What?
encore en train un petit peu de se décider parce qu'en fait, on a déjà du travail qui est prêt pour la prochaine EP. Et en fait, ce qu'on voulait faire, c'est que ici, comme on a déjà présenté l'IP, bah, voilà, on n'a pas pu faire l'IP Release Party, mais l'IP est déjà sorti. Du coup, on est un petit peu en train de revoir la stratégie et voir comment on va publier les prochains morceaux. Mais oui, le 23 septembre, it is on. It is on. The EP Release Party is on, so you better be there. Hope you're there. Take your tickets, okay? Take your mask and all of that, and bring your ass here. Donc voilà. Le 23, on est juste trop excités. Moi, j'en ai juste marre, en fait. Hein. J'ai besoin de mon public. Moi, je fonctionne comme ça. Je suis pas une fille de studio. J'adore le studio aussi, hein, mais je suis vraiment une fille de public et de scène et de live, ouais.
Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Timid, who's your guy? Who you came to colonize now? I'ma help you literate. I'ma help you innovate. I'ma swoop them bitches, let them know who came to educate. Segregate, I tell it, yes, we talking segregation. Step into a world full of discrimination. I'm only denouncing that, cause it's time to wake up. Gotta take a power back instead of keep a mouth shut. Keep her mouth shut, keep her eyes shut. Yes, they trying to separate us, we ain't keep her mouth shut. All my people I will raise, ain't no limits to your dream. Don't let anybody tell me what I can or cannot do because I do it. I do it, yeah, I do it. What? I do it, yeah, I do it. So we more, yeah, we more, yeah, so we more, yeah, we more. I do it, yeah, I do it. I do it, yeah, I do it. So we more, yeah, we more, yeah, so we more, yeah, we more. When you run my face in the dirt, is it because you're scared that my voice is being heard? Tell me why you wanna go under my skirt, trying to intimidate me, cause you think I'm feeling nervous. Right trade in your virgins for salesman. Controversial subjects till we part of the traffic. Baby talking about like they talking fair trade. Like the white Asians, people wear them braids. Keep her mouth shut, keep her eyes shut. Is it trying to separate us? We ain't keep our mouth shut. All my people I will raise, ain't no limits to your dream. Don't let anybody tell me what I can or cannot do because I do it. I do it, yeah, I do it for my traders. I do it, yeah, I do it for my haters. For my people, I do it for my people. Don't let anybody tell me what I can or cannot do because I